Kaustubh, could you tell me about yourself in English?
My name is Kaustubh Mishra.
Okay,
I live in Mumbai
okay,
at Sundaram Building apartment.
okay.
Uh,
And what does your father do? What does your father do?
my father do hotel manager.
He is a hotel manager.
He is a hotel manager.
Do you speak English at home?
No, I don't speak English at home. I
my
speak
God.
only Hindi.
Does your father speak Marathi at home?
My father knows English, but he doesn't speak English.
I'm asking Marathi.
Marathi.
Okay, right. For how long has your father been working?
My father has been working for 2 months.
For 2 months. Uh, where do you live?
I live in Mumbai at Sundaram apartment.
Kaustubh, what do you do in your free time?
I play games
Okay.
and I see YouTube's video, like gaming video.
Could you tell me about one story about shadow, about other things?
No, Androsel and the Lion.
No problem. Go ahead and say something about that story with energy and passion. Okay?
Once upon a time,
Speak loudly. Once upon a time,
a lion, Androsels, live in a village, and he's hate his king because he is a himself man,
okay.
and so he's a slave man.
He's a slave man or he's enslaved people?
He's a slave people.
Could you tell me about shadow? I'm interested to listen about shadow. That part, that game, do you know? You have to say with energy about shadow. This story is boring, I think so. I want that fascinating, groundbreaking, stunning story. Okay, about shadow. Yes, speak loudly.
In a village,
Yes.
a shadow is born
Very good.
in the village. So shadow, he's a good fighter. He's a
Right.
better fighter than
good.
other people's. He fight very fastly,
Okay.
and he's won
Fast,
match
right.
and he's won match very easily.
Okay.
So he's going to find his people,
Okay.
उसके type के people.
His kind of people. Like,
His kind of people, his kind
right.
of energy, his kind of
His
skill,
mentality, right.
his
Ah.
kind of skill. But 2 days ago, he have one shadow, gates of shadow.
After 2 days.
After 2 days, he's opened the gates of shadow and attacked the shadow energy in
my
this
God.
body, and he is shouting very loudly. But the villain is saying,
My God.
uh,
I'm shivering right now. Continue. That's very interesting, man.
Okay, Shadow is seeing our villain very angrily, and he is saying, "I'll kill you."
My God. Okay.
Into the sensei is teacher,
Okay.
and May is assistant.
Assistant. Okay.
Assistant. So sensei is saying you should take villain's seal, and then
Okay.
you should close the door, gates of shadow. So he's fight the first Linux, second Hermit, third
Speak loudly, yes.
third Butcher,
Okay.
fourth WhatsApp,
Okay.
fifth Widow, sixth Shogun. So he's take the seal and he's going to close the door, but he's not successful because Titan is coming and is laughing.
He's laughing loudly.
No, he's laughing.
Okay.
Like a villain, like a wicked smile.
Oh my goodness.
But he's खींचने का क्या हो?
He's pulling.
He's pulling the May
Okay.
in the under the gates of shadow.
Oh my God.
He's opened the and shadow is.
Oh no.
Oh my God! Oh no!
Okay.
And then he's opened second time the gates of shadow. he's opened the gates of shadow and defeat the Titan, and then destroyed the gates of shadow. Destroyed the gates of shadow, and is going to the village because of leaving. Then one time he's working for
Okay.
21 days.
Okay.
There will be a बाढ़ आने को क्या है? Flood.
There will be a tsunami.
Flood in the village. May will be dead. So Shadow is coming and seeing the May dead. Shadow is saying, "Oh God, I can't kill you, but I am a villain. In this time,
And I'm going to destroy all of you after this tsunami. Right?
I kill this world. I destroy this world."
Okay,
He's
right.
going, and then it started the Shadow Fight 3. So player is coming, and he is joining the first time. He is joining the Shadow Army,
Okay.
and
Remember, I don't give a damn shit on these stories. Okay? I'm just kidding. Continue.
the Saj is saying he's a लौता को क्या बोलते हैं? एक लौती
He's the only personality.
His
Only person.
only personality to use shadow power.
Okay.
So Gizmo is a army. Gizmo is a soldier. He is saying to the Sarge is a
He says to
captain.
Sarge, captain.
Sarge is a captain of the shadow army.
Captain of the shadow.
So Gizmo is saying there will be a detective come on the dynasty.
Oh my god.
Sarge is saying, where is detective on the
I
dynasty?
can't stop now, man. Continue. Yes.
Okay, so he's going to the, but he is saying his name is May. June.
Jude. Okay.
June. Sarge is saying, फांसी को क्या?
says-
Fast.
We will hang you.
I will hand you.
Right.
But he is seeing the player, and he is saying, I think so. You are a best people. You
are the best
Dynasty is
person?
Dynasty is not a बुरा.
A bad person.
Dynasty is not a bad place. Dynasty is a good place.
Right.
You should go and see the dynasty.
Right.
So the Saj is seeing the player, and the player is saying, yes, I go. Saj is seeing the player very angrily, and he is saying, with June, with you, I give you, hand you, I hand you.
Oh my god.
But
I will hand you. I don't understand. Like I will hand you what?
मतलब मैं तुम शायद जून के साथ साथ तुम्हें भी मतलब फांसी दूंगा.
Okay, she will hang all the people, like 2 person.
2%.
Right.
So, and he's given only more one chance. He's given, please fight me and then you go. I decided to you go. And then easily the player is defeated the Saj. He's going to the dynasty and started the chapter 2 dynasty. So there will be a E2. E2 is coming and he's saying May. He's a player. इसकी वजह से सब कुछ हुआ है.
It is all because of him.
It is all because of him. May is saying, relax.
The foolish
relax.
person, crackpot.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a foolish person, crackpot. Legend is saying, what are you saying me? I please defeat me to say, damn you say me. So E2 is very, very angrily saying and say, yes, I defeat you. I easily defeat you.
Okay.
But he is defeated. And then he is going to the Galen school. Galen school, teacher, Galen is a teacher in this school. And Galen is
Teach.
Galen
Learn.
is learn the new skills. New skills. Then the Galen have lots of students.
Galen has a lot of students. Oh my god.
But E2 is saying, you are defeat me, then you are defeat me. Okay, I steal your students. So
Okay.
Galen is saying, you should fight second time of e2 because you sabit
You have to prove.
have to prove I'm a best
Person,
I'm a
player.
best player.
Okay. Player?
No, I'm a best student
Okay.
of the gallon.
Okay, I'm a best disciple of a gallon. I think this is a very long story. I think we can do part 2 next time.
Yes.
So part 1 and part 2 maybe next time. So thank you so much, man. It's been pleasure talking to you. It's been